This video is going to be the start of the AutoCAD 2019 full course, and in this course we're going to tackle up every single command and every single corner in this application. The videos are going to be daily, and I'm going to make sure that the videos will be between 1 to 2 minutes, so it won't be boring, and gonna be easy to be reviewed, so you won't have to watch 30 minutes of video long on YouTube to reach an information that would take you just half a minute to get. So we're gonna start with this video, and it's gonna be just an introduction to the basic and the user interface. And this is a presentation done by me, Hussein Mohammed, and we're gonna start with the word of the AutoCAD, which is simply auto, which is the logo, and the CAD, computer-aided design. AutoCAD is 2D and 3D modeling software. It's developed by Autodesk company. Autodesk is an American company. It's widely used in the industry for 2D drawing and 3D modeling. In another way, we can say that AutoCAD is a designing course which is performed by the help of computer. The benefits of using AutoCAD: quickly create design, improving quality over hand drafting, easily modify, more accuracy, easy to transfer, long time safe. The AutoCAD screen, this is simply the screen of the AutoCAD version 2013, but it's exactly the same as 2019, and nothing has changed, just the same. So this is the quick access toolbar right here, the menu browser right here, and the tab right here, the ribbon, the whole ribbon right here, and the info center right here, the command palette right here, the origin, the X and Y stats bar right here. Now, ways to provide the command: you can just type it in the command palette, or type the name of the command on the screen, or just clicking on the command logo on the ribbon. So that's the way. Coordinate system: everything that we draw in AutoCAD is exact. All object drawn on screen is based on simple X and Y coordinate system. In AutoCAD, it's known as World Coordinate System, WCS. We are drawing a line, so we have the points A -10 to -4 and B 9 to 6, as shown in the figure. This is the figure, and this is the line, the start and the end. And a simple example for drawing a line. Now, the draw toolbar and the modify toolbar. This is a draw toolbar, this is the modify toolbar, and we are gonna go over all of these commands in the next videos. How to set drawing units: you can simply set the drawing units by going to the properties, or just by typing -DWG units. And then by changing it to the decimal you want, I'm going to change it to the meters by typing 6, then the decimal 2, then another 2, then yes, and then this is the unit count to meters. Okay, then back to the units. So text command, you can also type a text, and it's exactly, you can modify it like a Word, I mean the application Office Word, so it's exactly the same. Hatching in AutoCAD, just filling and shading an area between curves or any shape. You can choose the margins and the boundaries you want. The block the block is simply an object you draw. You can save it and recall it and insert it in another drawing as a full shape, a full as one object. You can also modify on the object. These are some shortcuts that you're gonna use during the AutoCAD practicing, so they are helpful. An example of the isometric drawing in the AutoCAD. Now, 3D modeling cell containing the mass properties of the 3D objects. You can use the solid toolbar for readily accessible objects, box, cylinder, wedge. You can use the Boolean operations of more complicated shapes, union, subtract, intersection, and other commands. Some 3D objects, simple 3D objects. You can change the 2D object to a 3D object by the extruding command and the stress and pull command. And this is the end of the presentation, and I hope you learned something from this presentation. And in the next video we're gonna start with some commands, so stay tuned. Thank you very much for watching, and I hope you subscribe to the channel